Yeah, that was all done by AI. I got this comment from Besharam asking me how to make videos like this DuckQuest. Well, DuckQuest is a channel with over 1.4 million subscribers and they've only made 26 shorts. So, that is really impressive. The shorts they make consist of stories where a duck is saving another animal. So let's get started ourselves now. First, go to ChatGPT and ask, I want to make a YouTube short about a short story how a duck is saving another animal. And now ask it, okay, amazing. Please give me a lot of image prompts to illustrate the entire story. Please be character consistent so the output will be amazing. Now copy the prompt and generate the images. You could, for example, use Leonardo AI, which is free to use. Add the prompt, set the aspect ratio to 9:16 and generate it. Amazing. But for the rest of the prompts, I am going to use Midjourney. And guys, be sure to double check the prompts from ChatGPT, and if necessary, you need to add cute yellow duck, otherwise it could be that you get a green duck. After you've generated and saved all the images, you are quite done. But if you want, you can also generate videos with these images. The channel DuckQuest is doing a mixture of AI-generated videos and images. So we could, for example, go to Luma Dream Machine, go here, add a prompt, and the prompt should be what you want to see in the video. And guys, this took like 30 minutes and I didn't even add it to the real video. Here is the result. Haha, funny. Now you could also try Hilo AI. But guess what? That took like more than 1 hour. And I am very impatient and I won't wait for that to finish, so let's create the video now in CapCut. Add all the images and make sure to arrange them in chronological order. If you didn't know, if you go to the CapCut settings and then to Edit, you can change the still image duration when you add new images. Now go to the motion effects and add these cool 3D zoom effects. They take a while to process, but they truly bring your images to life. Now add some transitions. Add some sound effects from YouTube, like a lake sound effect, squirrel and duck. Now add some music, and I will get it from the YouTube audio library. Last but not least, add some filters. When you are done, export it in 4K. Before I am going to show you the end result, let me do the outro. And that's it. Now it's up to you. Create your duck stories with AI and go mega viral. Have a lot of fun. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you'll never miss another Mr. Lemon video. And guys, be sure to become a member and get access to all the membership perks. See you in the next video. Bye. Here is the end result.